In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Wix site to start over. Whether you're looking to make a fresh start, clean up your design, or simply return to an earlier version of your website, knowing how to reset your Wix site is an essential skill. The process is straightforward, but there are a few key steps you'll need to follow to make sure everything goes smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll have your Wix site restored and ready to move forward with confidence. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard that lists all of the sites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the site you want to reset. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to double-check that you've selected the correct one. Click on the site name to proceed. Now that you've selected the site, the next step is to enter the Wix Website Editor. This is the tool where all the magic happens. It's where you design, customize, and manage your website. If this is your first time using the editor, don't worry. It's user-friendly and I'll guide you through the steps. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the upper menu bar. You'll see several options there, but the one we're focusing on is labeled Site. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From that menu, select Site History. This is where Wix keeps a record of all the changes and saved versions of your website. After selecting Site History, you'll notice a button labeled Go to Site History. Click on that to access a detailed list of all the saved versions of your site. This is essentially a timeline of your website's progress, showing each version with a timestamp and a description. Take a moment to scroll through the list and review these versions. The timestamps are especially helpful because they show exactly when each version was saved, which makes it easier to pinpoint the one you want to restore. Once you've reviewed the list, identify the version of your site that you'd like to revert to. Maybe it's a clean version from before you made certain changes, or perhaps it's a version with a design you preferred. Whatever the case, locate the version that fits your needs. Next to the version you've chosen, you'll see a button labeled Restore. Click on that button to start the process of reverting your site. Wix will ask you to confirm your choice, so be sure to double-check that you've selected the correct version. When you're ready, confirm the restoration. Wix will then take a few moments to process your request and reset your site to the version you selected. And that's it. Your site is now restored to the previous version you chose. From here, you can make additional changes, continue designing, or publish your site as is. It's always a good idea to periodically save versions of your site that you're happy with, so you'll have a solid backup to return to in case you ever need to reset it again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.